Couple of years back, on one of the discussions with Radha ji, she mentioned about the Ecological Society and that she's doing this course, which really piqued my interest because not only, of course, we are invested in natural learning and nature-based learning, but also because I teach a course called Environment Management in high school, which for me, learning all the time, on the go about our ecology has been foremost. When I was doing my master's in education, one of the questions that still remain in my mind was somebody asking me, so answer this question, what is your ecological address? And at that time I was stumped, and I'm sure I'm still looking out for the answer. But there were several reasons, some of these reasons because of which I decided to take up the course at Ecological Society. With my schedule, I kind of found it a little difficult because I was not only working full time, but I also had 2 younger children to take care of at home and 3 senior citizens. So I knew that my weekends are going to be busy. So I opted. I'm really thankful that they have an online program which allowed me to attend the lectures, learn as much as I wanted to, rewind forward 1,000 times if I wanted to get what I wanted to learn through the online program. The flexibility it affords is really humongous. It's phenomenal for a professional like me. Having a cohort through a WhatsApp group where we discuss several things has been the peer learning that we kind of always want when we're taking up a course, and it has worked very well for me. The study tours and the field trips that are associated with the course allows us to be in person taking the course, meeting the faculty, meeting our fellow learners. Overall, I'd recommend this course hands down to anybody, not only who is interested in the ecology, but anybody who's even not interested in ecology, because when you learn the 3 modules, which is the historical perspective, the ecology, and also the sustainable part, we understand how much we are part of the nature and how much we need to be part of the nature. So, big thumbs up for the Ecological Society and for all the wonderful work they're doing. Thank you.